And a few years ago, the government had sequestration, and most of his contracts were with defense contractors. He did engineering for drones and aircraft and things that the Defense Department used, and his income just shut off like that. And he was scared. And he brought the issue to the group, and we decided that we would do something that we call a tiger team, where we would have a separate meeting and ask for 2 or 3 other volunteers from the group. And 5 of us met him and his vice president of sales for 4 hours, going over his financials, going into his issues, what to do. And we figured out a plan how he could diversify and get into these other industries, and he was able to turn it around. And last year, he sold that company for so much. I mean, he would have been willing to sell his company for $5 million at that time. Last year, he sold it for over $30 million. And he is so happy that, and the impact that it made in his life is one of the success stories that I think.